Hey y'all, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm here to guide you through the latest in crypto and blockchain. We have a lot to cover today, so let's jump right into things. Our Discord community has hit 3,809 members. It's the perfect spot for devs, builders, and curious minds to chat, exchange insights, and level up their crypto knowledge. Over on social media, our own business development specialist shared how decentralized AI infrastructure is already real, and Pinata's quietly been building it already. We're talking unified file and vector storage for AI workloads, IPFS backed for verifiability, and built-in access controls. No hype, just infrastructure that works. This week, we're taking a closer look at RoofStacks. RoofStacks is a tech company that's pushing boundaries across Web3, gaming, AR/VR, and fintech. One of their standout projects is Go Art Worlds, a gamified AR experience that blends blockchain mechanics with real-world locations. Imagine Pokemon Go, but with NFTs and decentralized rewards. RoofStacks focuses on making blockchain more interactive and accessible while nurturing a product-first, team-driven culture. They're not just innovating in Web3, they're also building mobile games and fintech tools that bring immersive, decentralized experiences to our everyday lives. If you're building anything with AI, this one's for you. Have you already tried vector storage? Whether you're working on a compute marketplace, an autonomous agent, or just hacking on a side project that's gotten out of hand, you've probably realized your app needs a brain. Pinata's vector storage helps your app understand the content it interacts with. It breaks files into chunks, embeds them, and stores everything on IPFS, giving you searchable, queryable vectors without the hassle of running your own DB. Plus, it's blockchain agnostic and works with any chain or stack. Upload and go, and that's it. Keeping on theme with the topic of vector storage, let's talk about RAG and why it even matters. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a way to improve AI outputs by feeding the model additional context it can pull from, like giving a student the textbook before asking them to answer questions. Without RAG, you're prompting in the dark. With it, you're enabling smarter, more relevant responses. But building RAG pipelines has traditionally been very messy. Pinata simplifies the entire process by treating vector search as a native feature of file storage. That means you can upload a file, generate vectors, and query with natural language, all within the Pinata ecosystem. No extra databases, no glue code, just a smoother developer experience. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting content from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone.